Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want your Fitbit steps and workouts to show up on Strava, let's link them. And for this demo, we will be trying it from the Strava side. Open the Strava app on your phone or go to strava.com on your browser and log into your account. In the app, tap on the U icon at the bottom right and then gear icon for settings. Now scroll and find this option called Connect an app or device. Here you will see the list of applications, services and devices. Scroll through the list and locate this option called Fitbit and tap Connect Fitbit. Here you will be redirected to Fitbit's login screen. Enter your Fitbit credentials. For me, I will just continue with my Google account. You simply need to enter your Fitbit credentials, allow permissions and authorize access. Here, simply tap Authorize. Now here, choose what to sync. You can allow syncing of activities, location data, heart rate and more. Choose what you want. Once done, tap Allow. And that's it. To verify, complete a short walk with your Fitbit. Tap on the U icon at the bottom right. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Go to your Fitbit settings. Here, scroll down and find this option called Manage Access to Account. And here, tap Manage Connected Apps and see if it shows on Strava. Sync may take a few minutes. Now, you can enjoy your full fitness stats in one place. Hit like and follow for more app-to-app tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.